I'll be honest, hindi ko masyado na-enjoy ang ginagawa ko until after siguro, ito totoo to, nahiwalay ako. I enjoyed it then, but I appreciated it more nung single na ako. Bakit? Kasi doon ko na-realize, shucks, wala na akong partner. Mas sanay kasi ako na meron akong partner, meron akong kaduet. Parang it was so easy. And let's face it, Martin really, he was my director, siya yung pipili ng mga kanta ko. It was very easy for me. And again, performing on stage with Martin is the easiest. It's not even performing. It's not even working. It's an instant thing. And the rapport is just there. So, mas nadama ko yung siguro pressure, kaya sinasabi ko mas na-enjoy ko kasi now I realized, wow, I'm really on my own. Kaya ko ba? Kaya ko bang mag-perform on my own? May ganun kasi nag-adjust ako. Aside from the fact that I was going through so much personally, now sabi ko, well, mag-isa na ako, kakanta ako mag-isa. Although gumagawa naman talaga ako ng concerts ko solo, nandun pa rin si Martin beside me, helping me. So now, mag-isa na ako. I remembered one of my first shows nung ako na lang, was in Captain's Bar. Captain's Bar, favorite namin yan na perform, venue na performing. Pero maliit lang ang Captain's Bar. Pero alam mo, yung talagang I've never been so nervous. I was more nervous in performing in Captain's Bar than performing in all the other big venues that I performed in. Bakit? Kasi nga sabi ko, shucks, mag-isa na talaga ako, kaya ko ba? And after that, again, it's a small venue. Parang doon ako, parang nasabi ko sa sarili ko, kaya naman pala. Kaya ko sa small venue, ito, unti-untihin na natin, na palakihin na natin. Alam mo yon. So, mas siguro naging passionate ako. Why? Because ngayon, ako na talaga nag-iisip, kung ano ba yung gagawin ko, ano ba yung concept, kakantahin ko. I'm not, it's not a negative thing for Martin. I actually thank him. I always thank Martin because I feel I had to go through that for me to grow up also and mature personally and professionally.